So welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to be learning how to make use of this powerful strategy. So whenever you see markets creating this type of candlestick here, you will notice that price is having a very low momentum here. Okay, if you look at these three previous candles, this daily candle, you can see the strong sell momentum here. Okay, but this particular candle suggests to us that price is wanting to have a turn in the market. Okay, so whenever you see this kind of market or a candlestick in the market, then definitely you want to position yourself to either take a buy or a sell. Okay, depending on what the market is doing. Okay, so you can see the previous 4 days candle has been on a strong sell here. Okay, this was like the first sell candle here, and this was like the second strong sell candle. Okay, and this also was like the strong third sell candle here, but this particular fourth candle here, you can see that the momentum or the sell pressure wasn't that much. Okay, so this suggests to us that the price is either approaching a level in the market. Okay, and that's why we are going to be talking about channels. Okay, so channels, they are one of the ways we can position ourselves in the market. So whenever you want to buy or sell in the market, one of the things you can look out for in the market are channels. Okay, they are channels. So if you have a pattern like this in the market, you see price creating something like this. Okay, so what you can do is you can see that this is like a channel. Okay, price is like in a channel. So what you want to do is you want to position yourself for either a buy or a sell in the market. Okay, for example, here we can say that we'll be looking for a sell. Okay, especially if price is like on a strong level, maybe like a resistance. Okay, as in the case here, when you notice like a resistance here. Okay, you can see that when price gets here, what we want to do is to wait for price to break out from this channel here. Okay, and then price keeps selling down. So if whenever you see a channel in the market, then you want to trade that channel. Okay, and I'll be sharing how to make use of a channel, how to trade a channel strategy. Okay, because really one of a powerful concept in the market that will help you to take a trade whenever you see it in the market. Okay, now the market is about to turn, and you can see that today's low here has failed to take out yesterday's low. So this gives us an idea that market is possibly trying to reach out for this particular high here. Okay, so our first target will be this high here, yesterday's high. Okay, and then our next target will be the previous high here. So we are just going to highlight it here. Okay, so if we go to the 4-hour and the 1 hour, we are going to see a channel. Okay, a channel that has fallen in the market. I'm just going to close this trade now so that we can focus on this channel. Okay, let me just delete everything on my chart, and then we are going to have like a landscape mode so that we can see our channel properly on the 4 hour and then on the 1 hour time frame. So if you notice on the 4 hour time frame here, you will notice that a channel is forming here, okay, and you can see how the channel is forming here on crash 500 index. Now the concept of a channel works on any market, okay. The idea is just to understand how it forms and how to take advantage of it in the market. So if we go to the 1 hour time frame, then definitely we'll be able to see this channel clearly, okay. So if we go to the 1 hour time frame here, you can see that this channel has formed already. So there are two things we want to check before we trade this channel. Okay, there are two things we want to check before we trade this channel, because this channel has formed completely now. Okay, this is like a breakout from the channel here, okay. So there are two things we are going to consider here. So first of all, let me quickly draw my resistance, my support and resistance here, okay. You will notice that we have like a support and resistance at this particular levels here, okay. A support and resistance. So the first thing we want to do is to look for our order block on a higher time frame, okay. So if we go to like the weekly here, okay, or the daily here, when we go to the daily time frame, we should be able to spot an order block, okay. So you can see that on the daily time frame here we have like an order block here, okay. Price has gotten to our order block level here. Remember, our order block is like the last sell candle here. So this is our order block. This was the last sell candle here before the strong move upward, okay. So this was like the strong sell candle before the strong move upward, okay. And you notice that price has not really tested this particular order block, but currently now you can see that price has come back to this order block level, okay. So this can be like a confirmation. Remember that this particular candlestick here has failed to take out this order block, okay. So this gives us an idea that possibly market is likely to turn at this particular point here, okay, and start buying again, okay, maybe back to this order block level here, okay. So whichever the case may be, we might want to wait to see the reaction of price at this particular level here, okay. So you can see that we are in this particular order block here. So that's the first thing, okay. Since we are able to spot our trend line, that's the first thing. We want to note this particular order block level. And then the second thing is for us to go to our 4 hour time frame, okay. On our 4 hour time frame, what we want to see is we want to wait for price to break out from this trend line, this trend channel, okay. You can see that price is trying to break out of it, but it hasn't broken out completely. So before we trade this trend before we break trade this trend channel, we want price to break out of it completely, okay. And then for extra confirmation, you can wait for price to break out from our support and resistance, okay, and then we wait for like a retest back to that level, and then definitely we can confidently trade this market, guys. So this is how I want to trade crash 500, okay. And then our stop loss will just be below somewhere here, okay. And then our take profit will be at these different levels here, okay. This will be like our first take profit, okay. And then we can target this particular level here as our next take profit, and then we can have this particular order block here as our next take profit. So guys, this is how you want to position yourself for this massive buy that's about to happen on crash 500 index, guys. So guys, I believe you've been able to understand how to make use of this trend channel, okay. So you can leave a comment in the comment description if you have challenges with what I've just said, and definitely I'll get back to you, okay. So guys, make sure you test this out and look for it on your chart before you decide to trade it, okay. And make sure you risk wisely. Do not over trade and do not over risk your money in the market, okay guys. So cheers guys, I'll see you in my next video.